start from us, come on! Go fast, right! Very easy. Stick it! Go Fudge!
Llandudno. Score by number 10, Ruthin.
Leave it, Tom, leave it!
Very cagey game there, Matty. Come away with 3 points. That's all you asked for at the start of the game.
Yeah, that was the main thing, is to get the 3 points, the run we've been on. I think it's about time we won an ugly game. That's what we've done today. So yeah, really pleased to have got the win. Feel like it should have probably been a bit more comfortable for us, especially second half. They gave me a bit of a nervy time there the last 10 minutes. But it was, I think 3 months ago we probably would have drawn or lost that kind of game. So it's nice to see that we've got that side developing in us now, especially with these young lads.
Ruthin always decide to dig in, and always, they've got a good team spirit. Is it positive for us so we can beat a side who are good defensively and everything?
Yeah, I mean that, like I said, these are the kind of games where we were dropping points earlier on in the season, but today we've shown that we can do that side of the game. I always think of Ruthin as being an awkward side, and that means no disrespect to them. They're just a very difficult side to play against, a difficult side to break down, and with Llyr, there's always a chance of a goal. So to have shut them out today, got the clean sheet and take the 3 points, yeah, I think we've got to be pleased with that.
Like I said before, if Fons, Rob Parry and Pong all have quite good opportunities to put the game to bed, is that the only concern, that we couldn't put the game to bed today?
It's almost now the last piece falling into place for us. We wanted to bring in that fight and that desire and that character which we showed against Holywell and we've showed again today, and now it is just getting that last little piece. We lads are not missing these chances on purpose or anything like that, but it's just now getting that so that ruthlessness comes through as well, and we killed the game off earlier. It's nice to see Robbie scoring again. It's two in a row now. Important goals from him as well. So that's a positive. And yeah, it's just about us. But I'm quite happy if we're grinding results like this out. If we can get ourselves on a run, winning games 1-0, that'll do me. It's about getting the results at this stage of the season.
It was up to the next game. Llanfair United win today. We've got them next in the Welsh Cup. It's going to be a different game, but hopefully we can build on another home win. Yeah,
it's going to be another tough one, obviously, and we've got players out for that with the suspension. So we're missing Pio, going to be missing Christie. So it'll be another one where we've got to come here at our place, make sure it's a fortress, dig in. And I said it all season, it's a competition I really want to do well in. So we'll be bang up for that.
And lastly, obviously, Dean Siegel went off early on today. Is there a bit of trouble there?
It's a clash of knees. So he's got a dead leg basically on the inside of his knee, is what he's saying. It's a bit of bruising on the bone. I would imagine that by Wednesday, Thursday, he will be able to ease that off. So at the moment, based on initial diagnosis, nothing major to be worrying about.
Alright, nice one, mate. Cheers.